Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's a beautiful day to paint, although that's actually not what I'm doing today. As you recall, my last additive experiment was WD40, and wasn't too bad when it was done. I kind of liked how it turned out. But I just wanted to do a quick update because, as you can probably already see, the WD-40, which was added to the white, has some significant cracking in it. I'm just going to try to get a close-up of that. None of the other colors cracked, but as you can see, the white did by quite a large amount. I don't mind how it looks. Wasn't my intent, but I don't think it necessarily adds or detracts. But I just wanted to do a follow-up just in case anybody wanted to try doing the WD-40 as an additive, that you would be aware that you'll probably get some cracking. As I said, fairly significant cracking. Now I can see potentially wanting to get this effect at some point, and I'll know how to do it. I'll use the WD-40. So anyway, as I said, this is going to be a quick one, just a quick update, so that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to go ahead and throw a like my way, it'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll be notified whenever the next video comes out. And I will see you next time.